In a peaceful forest, a sparrow lived happily. She had built a small nest with love. Nearby lived a powerful elephant. He cared for no one.
One day, he destroyed her nest.
Her eggs were gone. She was heartbroken.
But she decided to fight back.
She sought help from her friends.
We need a plan.
Right, a distraction. I'll create a diversion.
Then we move.
Together, they made a plan with Crate. The bee began the attack. Buzzing, buzzing. The elephant became restless. Then came the woodpecker. And the woodpecker pecking elephant eyes.
The elephant lost his sight.
Blind and confused, he panicked. The frog played the final trick. He followed the sound.
And fell into a deep pit.
Justice was done. Together, they had won. Even the strongest can fall. Unity is strength.
Subscribe for more amazing stories.